In the recent few days, an unfortunate incident had happened where a couple, a newlywed couple from the state of Madhya Pradesh, had come to Meghalaya, to Sohra, Cherrapunji area, and we got reports that they went missing. It's a very, very unfortunate situation. My counterpart from Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Chief Minister, has spoken to me. I've received a call from the Home Minister's office, Government of India, and I've been monitoring the situation personally on a daily basis. The SP, as well as the entire administration, the police force has been on the job 24/7 to find the couple, and not only our administration but entire village and community in that area is also participating in this search for this couple. We are using all the possible technology also available with us to help us in our endeavor. As you're aware, this is the pre-monsoon area or the time, and Cherrapunji and that entire belt is known for heavy rainfalls. Hence, it's a very, very difficult task as we move along, but we are giving it our best to ensure that we're able to find the couple. The history is like this, that they had gone to different locations, and the bike that they had rented was found on the main road, and it looks like after leaving the bike there and parking it there, they have gone off-road and maybe to hike, and that area where they have went, both sides there are hiking treks, and they're very steep, and of course in this monsoon season possibility of slippery areas also is very high, and therefore the overall area of search is very, very big. But as I said, that we are working very hard. The police, the administration, and most importantly the villagers are all working very hard. We are hopeful that we'll be able to find them, and for us, our tourists are like our family, and especially in Sohra area, they've always treated every tourist as to be part of their own family, and hence the entire community today is involved in this, and every single village has offered their help, and they are tirelessly working along with the administration. We are hopeful that, as I said, we'll get positive results and we'll be able to find the couple, and our efforts are on to do that. And I'm personally, as I said, monitoring the whole situation, and we're trying our best to find the couple who went missing a couple of 3-4 days back. Thank you.